Hello friends, very good morning to all of you. So today we are going to discuss PF57, that is OAuth token vulnerabilities. So we covered like till now three sections, major sections of vulnerabilities. So first one is the common OAuth client, then the second one is the protected resource, and then third one is the authorization server. So in this section we are going to cover the token vulnerabilities, and there are three major parts of these sections. And then we have some subpart of part 3, that is 3.1, 3.2, and 3.3. So we'll try to understand all those six sections of this OAuth token vulnerabilities. And with the completion of this, we'll complete our vulnerabilities section. So I hope you understand the vulnerabilities like whatever we discussed, because this is very important uh, while designing the solutions. If you're not if you just miss this part, you can make the system vulnerable, and somehow there is a chance of attack, right? The system can be attacked. So we just need to understand and mitigate those vulnerabilities by putting those practical implementation what we discussed in our previous sections. And once we complete this, we'll jump to the REST API. I'll just talk on that part. What is the REST API we're going to talk, and what I can just show you in the videos. So yeah, there are a few sections I'll just put for the REST API, so you understand that how you can call the REST APIs using any programming, right? Like how you can write a basic Java code to call ping fetted REST API to perform some things by just putting in the program, right? No need to go to the console to make that thing. So just kind of automation that we can talk. So yeah, we can just let's complete this section, and then we can talk on our REST APIs part. So yeah, let's begin. Let's discuss common OAuth token vulnerabilities PF57. So in this section, we'll just discuss about the what parts we are going to discuss in this PF57, and just overview, and then we can jump to the section 1 to, like, yeah, whatever the section ending. So let's go to the next slide. Yeah. So in the previous vulnerability section, we have analyzed implementation vulnerabilities that affected all the actors of an OAuth deployment, that is clients, protected resources, and authorization servers. Most of the attacks we have seen had a single purpose: to steal an access token or an authorization code used to get an access token. In this section, we'll go deeper into what it takes to create a good access token and authorization codes, and what we can do to minimize the risk while handling them. We are going to look at what happens when the token is stolen, and we'll see how this can cause relatively minor damage compared with a hijacked password. In summary, the motivations behind OAuth are to offer a more safe and flexible model compared with a password driven world. Okay. So in this section, yeah, we'll just talk about all this. Like the part 1 will talk about what is a bearer token. Part 2 will talk risk and considerations of using bearer tokens. Part 3 will discuss on how we can protect the bearer token. And in that we have three sections here, because this bearer token is utilized in these places, right? So at the client, how we can protect the bearer token at the client, that is 3.1. Then 3.2 will discuss how to protect the bearer tokens at the authorization server, because that's the server who will generate the bearer token or the access token, right? So we'll try to understand how to protect that. Then we'll try to understand how to protect bearer tokens at the protected resource. That means from client we are just sending that access token to the resource server, right, to consume that resource. So how we can protect the bearer tokens at that protected resource, that we'll discuss on 3.3. So yeah, we'll just discuss one by one, and this is again like it's not going to it's not a long session, so just go through this once, and maybe yeah, it can be helpful while designing the solution or while trying to use this token, right, in your workflow or in your design. Okay, so this is about this one. Let's quickly jump to the part 1 section where we'll discuss on that part on the BRI token. And if you have any questions regarding any of the vulnerability section, yeah, please feel free to put in the comment section. So I'll try and just help you to with the answers, or we can just have another session also if required. Yeah, thank you.